Okay, you guys, ito naman, we are going to cook the pancit. Pancit bihon. This is my gulay and then onions, garlic, tsaka chicken stock. And this is the pot, bad boy. Nilutuan natin ng fried chicken kanina. O hindi na, naglock na naman siya. Yan. What we are going to do is we are going to use all the yummy deliciousness stuff in there. I don't want to waste the flavor from the real chicken, which is, you know, just chicken. Okay, first we're gonna put the the bawang or garlic. Yeah. And you don't have to do this. You just put them all there. So tira ako ng konti para sa babaw. Okay. And then let's just put the pancit bihon. Yan. Hindi ko na to binabad kasi we don't need it. It doesn't need it. Yan. Kasi bali, this is just half of the package. We are putting the vegetables. Just put them all like this. There. Tinitingi-tingi pa eh. Ito lang ang available na gulay dito sa fridge ko kaya. Pero usually I like more vegetables, yung maraming vegetable talaga. And then this is something new, you guys. Usually we use the oyster sauce, but I really like this in my taste. Ito ang lagi kong ginagamit instead na yung oyster sauce. Kasi ito, medyo manamis-namis siya ng konti at saka mas dark. Yan lang, just tansya lang. I think tama. I like to put a little bit of ang tag dito, black pepper. Chicken stock or chicken broth. Wala akong chicken stock, naubos na pala. So I use the store bought. Okay. So ilalagay ko ito siguro mga more than kalahati. Tansya lang. A little more. There you go. All right. Then takpan natin. Takpan si bad boy. Itong clip na yan, gusto ko yung direction niya that way. Kasi doon siya nagkiklik. And then, let's reset it again. Reset again. Cook. Temperature to 450 ulit. Kailangan mabilis ang pindot kasi nagre-reset siya automatically pagka medyo matagal yung pindot. Bahala na kayo dyan. Bahala na si Batman. Okay, and then the time is 10 minutes. Hindi 15 minutes na yan. Kasi usually it's 12 minutes pero since na hindi naman gaano ka marami ang lulutuin natin, so we're just gonna do. Bakit ayan? Okay. Okay. We do it again. 10 minutes para sa akin. Okay. There you have it. We're gonna wait 10 minutes. 10 minutes cooking. Remember, hintayin natin tong mag-click. Just click. That's the tawag dito yung magic click. In 10 minutes. Okay. I will get back to you in 10 minutes. Like and share. Thank you so much.